The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Me now, as a little thing we just a come out, me just a stay in a lane and I be discreet. You understand? Cause normally that's my personality. Me no. People have to draw me out for they see my bad side or my mad face or all of that. I understand? So anyways, that's why I've been so quiet all this time. Me only done me no say nothing because guess what? Something happened. But me never fuck the man. The man fuck me. I saw it go. Anyways now, it was I think at the night. I can't remember exactly which country we did there, but key details will make me remember stuff. We did have show with Version and in team. Cause them did their Europe same time like we, right? Alright, so after the show now, we're going back our hotel. Me did up a spice room, him did up there, she was there. And from them the time the spice on a vibe and you know when you get to read him from Sparky and him a Billy song indicator. Cause remember that was like history, right? Because when me they do the dance, while I was doing the dance move, cause like she said, no, I want dance, and me did me a dance and we are all a vibes. And the woman I watch me a dance and everything good. And I saw me a dance, I saw she a get some lyrics for put in it. You see me? Alright. So yeah. And I think Virgin them did a go back pan the road. Them did a go back pan the road because you know man they are Europe and them will party. But we know as women we don't really do that. Especially Spice, you know, she a female artist, you know her status and rare. And she just like prefer stay in, you see me? She prefer stay in. So normally we don't really do that goat something there. We just stay home. After show done, we might stay a little bit, then we'll just go on back, you see me? Yes, so right before him going, I can never forget because Spice have a problem with him drinking. When the man drink, I don't know, are them in a relationship as she would have to tell you. Because me never really experienced, me can't recall, it's been a while, I not really dwell upon them things in my mind. So me can't remember one incident to say, alright, yes, when he drinking along. So but I fear her man for years. So she know how him stay when him drink, you see me? Alright now, the man goes to boobs to tell her say, him a go with them on the road. Go a party or wherever them when I go. And me cannot forget when Spice say, nobody go drink and go like you idiot. Nobody go drink and go, cause me know how you stay. Me know how you stay when you drink and me not like when you drink. Me remember when she give him that warning there. And I say she know how you stay when he drink. And remember me artists and people know me. Nobody go there go fuck nobody. And nobody go fuck any place. I saw the woman they want the man. Anyway, lo and behold, the man I premeditate me long time. Cause when me really sit down and I reflect back, you know, as a man, you want to fuck a girl long time in your meds. Look up blood clot pervert. A long time him a pre me. Then time I'm not even a flesh by my body good. A long time him a pre me. For sure you say he's a little wicked man. Me's a little girl. Although yes, me a take man me a this and that. I don't like say me big and sexy and shapey if you ready in here. Me never in a no panty in front of the man. Pants all the way. Unless when we are dancing somewhere in our whatever, but so what? Pants all the way, because you know, say a cold place them there. And the first time him approached me, I not remember how that go, but we go on the road. We always go on the road, go get food and Spice no go, because you know she an artist. Come back, we reach our room. The man did approach me from this and I say no one to push him off and sitting. Me no remember when he get to pull on the pants, but he never go far. It up like boy so. No, little bit on me hip there so, cause you know say pants are not something way easy. And you know say the man pull and tear off one yellow mesh drawers I may have and me can't forget. And from this I know me start and he not take him two pull alone, he never take him three. For sure say my experience rape a man. Him love take things by force a long time I do them sitting there, not just now, I mean I ask you. The man grab 2 times and tear off my jaws. I the woman for the tour come and look for him and call him. Make him end up come out. And from this now, I start fret. And I wonder and up and down. I say, Lord Jesus, I want this for me. When he start boil down the last half of the tour. Because she and him kick her. Them did have one argument on the tour. You see me? So you know, them always are up and down. Them was never good. That's why when I time them, when my sister link him, I talk about, me more feel say Spice and Danger for fuck. When I time she went in her room, because them did kick off big pan the tour. I don't know what them have, but Spice when I tell the people them for the tour, for send him home back, well mad under fire, send him home. And him end up never go home, so she never want to stay with him, so she stayed with me for a couple days. I don't even remember how long, for sure how long I mean I remember. So couple times and then they make up back now. So them start sleep back together ray. When the tour a boil them now. 2 shows we did have left. 2 shows. I can't forget. I think after we did have 2 shows left, yeah. 2 shows left. You know say when the man go on the road and go drink as was Spice say. The man go drink. Come back and I text me. I mean I pay him no mind. Yeah, me did a answer him, but in the back of my mind, me I say, yeah, me not let you. Me say, them time there, me did have proof, you know, the guy did a blackmail me. Me did have proof, but me never understand about phone then time. Me didn't know nothing about Google app and Google backup and them something there. Not Google app, but Google backup. Because like right now, I can screenshot stuff and Ray and have them and know if you find them back. I didn't know nothing about phone then time there. But me did have some screenshot and me did forward them to the boy. The same boy when me did tell. And me don't know what happened with film phone. Because you know say after a while, me and him never there again, whatever that break off. But me and him still always good because me and him always have that bond because of what did happen to me. And me did share it with him and him understand, right? So, anyways, the man go out and then come back. Him a did the road manager. So, you know say, him book in at the hotel them and the something them, right? Him book in at the hotel them. Because you know, him a do him road manager work. Me new to the thing, me don't know nothing. Me just go them here see the ropes. So, you know, we go where we go and take we passport them and him check in at the hotel them. So the fact that him check in at the hotel them, him have the advantage of getting the keys, right? So the man go drink, long time he want fuck me off, come back. And you know say, me nah pray that cause that I last thing when me a pray say man I go do cause from me I say me nah let him in. Me just have say me nah let him in and he nah go come in cause how he go come in, you see me? And me never did a sleep neither. And I did hours. Because remember say Jamaica time and Europe time are 2 different times. So when I did done a night up there. So we know as Jamaican we used to feel with time. So even some bad hours a night up there, we still up. Because we just broke pan feel with time zone. Yeah, and I did the pan call with the guy too. I did actually come off shortly before he come back. So anyways, the man good on at the desk and go tell them say in last Mickey, my youth, oh you fi say me fuck you and you good on at the people them desk and go tell them say me rule a key from whatever number room me did have at the time last. That are the first thing where you do wrong. The first thing where you go wrong and you fuck up. The first thing that way you do bad man. I me just try if it remain calm and talk and explain myself. Because I any idea me not give a fuck who you be. Me not afraid of nobody. Me not care. Me feel years this department me could live. Me could take it. Me could as strong make me turn up yourself now. We you know deal with me past social media. And every time when me think about it. Every time when I think about it, I know say me not do this, me not do no. Me just feel Me can't talk about this. I don't get emotional, brother. And here the man a come out strong. Yes, he fuck me. And no, yes, even if me were afraid and fool and coward in a den time there, I know me blood clot brave. Me da kill him. God me da use me too and kill him. Because he man mash up my life, he made me lose my job, and look how him a come out strong and I come go on like you no potion man, and you no macho man, and you no man, you want pussy. And that me I tell you. The man go for the key and him pull me door. You know the hotel key them. Me not talk the long time one them, the one them was scan. I know you know say a foreign thing. And the man pull the door and the man come in for me. Remember me little and mag and me young and I know like a fight when me did in our rage. Remember him come with the intention to rape. Remember rape a man strong because they don't know so they have to come at you by force. Remember me in a shock because I don't know me just award this for me God. That's how me feel. So as much as me did want to fight back, he come like me could even fight back. Me award this for me not get a chance. Cause the man come in unexpected. By the time if you realize the man in the room, the man come in, shove up back the door. Remember from your lock, you shove up a hotel door it lock. The man grab me. This a hole ya. Right? Face down, pin down, palm bed. I struggle and I move and I ray. But I couldn't move. Me in a shock, me feel traumatized and me not even me have to wonder say if me fi ball, me fi scream, me don't know, me just feel like you know the way them me don't know. Me just feel afraid in myself and I say, but a spice man and he in charge too and you know the man did it. Me feel say me never fight hard enough. Even though me couldn't move. Me think me should have scream out or something. The man catch me ears, my attention and my ears for a minute. Then he start talk the things them. Remember say him a spice baby father, him and her there for years. And if me tell her no anything me tell her, she not go believe. And me I go lose my work and me I go back a Mobile. I go back a Bay where me they come from. And me I go get kicked out of the team. And me no fi bother say nothing and one we do me. If me mash up in life and in relationship, one we do me and one we make happen to me. And my life in at risk. Bad man, actually not even know. Me just a try to talk about this before me express no other type of feelings. Anyways, fuck off him matter is in coming without my permission. Me never fuck the man. The man come in, wall me don't fuck me off, aka rape. And whatever happen, in come out, in go up, him a text me, ma start me give me nickname Pretty. Delete the text them no make spicy. And me this screenshot all of them there. I mean no remember spice but when him do that, I be a screw face, me vex furious side to her, be attitude, me turn up, me no go near beside him back, me just a vex up and one time she say, how are you? But me I pity she not even know and me could even talk. The man is a little dog shit. Because after I do and show the girl, show Stacy, which is Stacy expression on the phone. And knowing said the girl I go tell back spice. Ray. In a bag of chatting, Ray, or go make man go puncture Stacy car tire. And one go do. Then if me hear man attack, so. Remember me grow rough. Remember me grow from the ghetto. Remember if you use your mouth, walk and live. I don't know the rest. Talk and bumbo clock dead. Remember me a garrison gal. You have to be smart, brother. I think reach me cause me is a person like that. I think reach me just holy and me just build and it's soaking at me and it manifest and me get angry and me try to retaliate or do something about it. Or if me can do something, make somebody do something about it. Because you hurt me. I some mistake. That's why I never bother come run up and down and no chatting. So I mean I grow so. Which was wrong. Cause rightfully the right way to go. Ray talk about it, whatever report, Carga police station, court, ask dead cow fat. The artist part where born me the most, the man migrate go foreign. Remember me not have a visa. I mean no me not have no see the same back. Me broken, me depressed. Me there on the woman. But 1 year and after it happened, every time me just come like me zone out. Because remember me and I get close. Me want to say it. I mean I know how to say it. Me just start talk about this. And how convenient is it as me talk about it 2 Sundays ago. As me talk about it, because I can't hold them, I not tell none of my family. They don't know what happened. They don't know. I not say nothing to nobody. Nobody. Just the guy when me tell. Just the guy when me tell. Right now, me have voice note with him. Me soon play them too. Because me always a text him. And you know how long boy I say, tell her. Me will help you. And me always a tell the boy, I say, me afraid. And he said, tell her. And me say, me afraid. Me just, same thing. When me they run from, me run come buck up in her. The fear of losing my fucking job. Remember? Me in a group, remember? Me I do what me love. Me I travel, me I go all these places, me I get my money. You see me not have time for going to no farmer team spice drama or no fucker right now. Because me not depend that. Me I talk based on this matter, yeah. Because this bigger than that right now. So right now, I not even have nothing negative to say about no spice because as you can see, me never depend that yet. Me not have the time, me not care. Sometimes I don't piss me off and say some shit and I will reply. And I want some look of face a code way, but me know no never hear out of my mouth. Me come on this. No farmer fake page. One who can decode and say, yes, I have a danger right this. Our spice herself. Me can ask her and she can tell you no. Never can decode a fake page and say, I have a danger right this because me and her was so and she alone know them something else so she alone could have posted it. Me tired of it. Me tired. Me did have my own thing go on. Yes, why you wait so long and you should have thought. Remember say pussy and dog are 2 different blood clot breeder animal. What one dog we do or brave fi do or do. Or one pussy we do whatever vice versa. They work different. Me fear for my life. Me did fear for my job. And me just feel say if me tap in eyes and just be quiet and build and just take that, it woulda just go away. Me feel say it woulda just go away. Me never know say it a come fi heart me. How much time I want to tell look man, I don't know if I tell look man, but me just having in my mind say one day me I go find it. In myself to tell the woman. Then boops, it look like him start walk and talk because him and Spice war get hot. So him did want something to destroy her. Remember say who are the bad one winning a war? Who draw out the bad dub plate, who draw out the bad weapon, or who use it to the best of them ability, and you take down the next opponent and you win a war or the battle or whatever, because it come like it's a never ending war. And who get damaged in the process? Wildfire bus and me pick up here and me dead in a show. Dead in the blood clot show. The man sit down and write the show and plan out my death. And me not even know that. Because I just caught up in my own little world. Me young, me I enjoy myself, me I get my money, me I tour. Me can take care of my picnic. All me did ever have was true and genuine love for the woman and the work. And me did appreciate every bit of what I was experiencing. Because that was what I wanted. Me's a very blood clot humble girl. Anybody when know me can talk. Me not have nothing for hype. Me not have nothing for prove. Who are the bad one? Who fi do this to their mother? Who fi do that and who fi do that? Me come to no humble, upset, emotional. Me could have talk about what? Social media no understand. Me never say it to Spice. She was my friend. The one did practically my best friend. So me did who are the right to know what happened out of my mouth. Cause I know we not talk about it. We not sit down, we not discuss shit here what happened. And when me look, me get removed out of group. And she just take care of herself and I'm like, what really happened? What happened? What happened? She here said that happened. And we did friend. She no confront me with no anger. She no try find me hard. She no ask me if it goes or not. She just take it. And I'm like, what the happen, brother? What the fuck I go on? 1 minute me good, flick up and kick up and I work good and everything good. The next minute me just get chopped so. And the next thing where me go wrong now. Alright, after it happened. After it happened, right? And me call the guy, right? When as the man left the room, me call the man. Me call the boy and me a ball. And me a tell him what happened and me a say, oh Spice, I go look for me now. Cause me just feel like me should have fight harder. Me just feel defeated. Me ever just feel defeated without even trying.
Viewers and subscribers, I just presented to you a piece of an entire video that is out on social media, and the entire video that is out on social media shows a female who said some things that gave me the understanding that she said that Spice baby father raped her. You see me? The female that I see in the video that I just presented to you said some things that gave me the understanding that she said that Spice's baby father raped her. You see? Viewers and subscribers, this person went on to explain certain things, and she mentioned the Jamaican musician who goes by the name of Spice. You see me? And there's not much I'm going to say about some of the things that this person said in this video. You see me? Because when someone accuses someone of something, it is considered as an allegation until proven otherwise. You understand? So there's where I believe it. But you, my viewers and subscribers, can let me know what to think about some of the things that this person had said or about the whole situation mentioned in this video. You see me? Alright, now viewers and subscribers, there is not much I can say about the video that I just presented to you. You see me? And the person you see in the video, it is said that she's a dancehall queen, and it is said that she goes by the name of Danger. You see me? Now viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present to you pieces of videos that shows a person who is said to be Spice's baby father. And according to what had been said about these pieces of videos on social media, it is said that these pieces of videos shows Spice's baby father responding to the allegations where it is said that a female who goes by the name of Danger accused him of raping her. You see what I said to you? Viewers and subscribers, I'm going to tell you from right now that these pieces of videos, you know, maybe one or maybe two pieces of these videos have some glitches. You understand me? I'm telling you from right now, so you know the quality or so forth of those pieces of videos might not be so good. Yes, I said to you, so I tell you from right now that there are glitchings in maybe one or two pieces of these videos. It is said that these pieces of videos shows when the person who is said to be Spice's baby father went on social media and did a live recording, and he talked about the rape allegations and all these things. So I said, yeah, so I'm going to leave these pieces of videos with you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can hear some of the things that he had said, and maybe you can get somewhat of an understanding as to some of the things that he had said. So I said to you. But anyways, before I leave these pieces of videos with you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in these pieces of videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright, now here are the pieces of videos. Take a look, listen and observe, and until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall. Una big up on yourself. You see it?
Hi. I'm wrong. You was wrong also. We both were wrong for even fucking each other. But guess what? Just remember this. When we did go around and do a little thing and the fuck while we up on tour, this was no one time nothing. May you fuck all over the world, all over Europe, may you fuck. We were fucking like we were fucking for Jamaica. So don't say that. What you gain from this? I'm going to ask you now. The amount of people when I see in my inbox I call me rapist. Listen. I have my girl picking them when I love dearly. And if a boy rape one of them, I kill that. I don't support raper, none at all. How much more am I going to take? When they label me deadbeat father, I work with it. Sperm do. Them say them two girls left from Mobile bad. Bring them girls, they come make them girls dance. I may talk, whole heap, you know. And up to the point when I left. And when I come off, like I'm foreign. I used to talk to you. Spice no we talk to you. That's what you said. You said Spice no we talk to you. See? And if I talk to you, Spice and Ludwig, I don't want to lose my job. You remember when you said that to me? This is the money rape, you know. What did I say to you? But if you say, well, Danger, just big up yourself, you know. That's what I said to you, Danger. Big up yourself.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla. 10.